Your first bag that you will need to set up for your kit is going to be your pre-exam setup and disinfection. In that bag, you will need the following items. You're going to need EPA, which is your disinfectant. It will need to be correctly labeled. You'll also need your hand sanitizer. You'll need trash bags, at least one, in order to put all of your soiled items in after each exam. You're also going to want to apply tape in the bag in order to tape up your trash bag to your station. 6 paper towels in order to use when you're spraying your EPA disinfectant on the station. Use your paper towels to clean. Last but not least, in that bag, you also want your exposure kit. Your blood spill kit needs to be in its own bag and correctly labeled. In that kit, you want a pair of gloves, your antiseptic spray, bandages, gauze, 2 bags, such as sandwich bags, in order to create a double bag, and at least an orange sticker. All of those items will go into your pre-exam setup. Zip it up, and it's ready.